Hey everybody, alright, we're back with the second video in my series, a few of my favorite things. And today we're going to talk about electrical outlets, but not just any electrical outlet. We're going to talk about one that does a whole bunch of stuff, which is why it has all the little writing on it. You may be saying, okay, whatever, electrical outlets are electrical outlets, and for the most part they are. But this one is one we install in our houses all the time, particularly in kitchens and other areas where there may be like a countertop or a table nearby. This one has a USB charger and a USB-C charger. Now, that's not all it has. It has some other things going on too. It's tamper resistant, it's the TR, and it means it has little clear plastic plugs in there that have to slide out of the way when you put your outlet or put your plug in, so that a kid doesn't, put a butter knife in there or what have you. That being said, what's particularly cool about this one is that it is 65 watts of power. Provides 65 watts of power. You can plug a laptop into this. Just straight up. Look, we've all had cell phones. There are some outlets that don't charge very quick, and some, like the ones that come in your car and they're on the dashboard and they take forever to charge. And there's other ones, like the ones that come with your iPhone or your Google phone, that charge super crazy fast, right? Well, this is the super crazy fast. So it has a USB-C and a USB. It is UL listed. That's Underwriters Laboratories, so it's been tested, it's legit, and it's available on Amazon for somewhere around $35. It comes in a two-pack, somewhere around $35. And what's particularly interesting about that is that for sure you can get a similar item at a big box, Lowe's or Depot, but just one of these at Lowe's or Depot costs pretty close to $50 or $55. And here you're getting two for $35. And the ones, you have to be careful, because the ones that you'll see advertised in a lot of cases are not 65 watts. They are less wattage, and they charge slower, and you can't use you can't use them to charge a computer, for example. So this is my absolute go-to, and there's going to be a link in the description below to buy it at Amazon. I do get compensated modestly if you do, go through the link and buy one of these, or as it is, two of these, at the link on Amazon, and I would appreciate that. It's kind of cool. But in any event, I want to share with you what we use in the field, in the real world, because they just work. And this right now is my favorite outlet that we install for this purpose, for the additional charging types, the USB and the USB-C. So check it out at the link in the description below. And if you're enjoying this, if you're finding this useful, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. I won't mind. All right? Thank you.